that nerd here. Ha, psych! It's that side person, and this is a takeover. Today, he's gonna be the side person.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna be that nerd. So let's open this. This is the single booster pack Sunday opening, according to my knowledge. So let's see if we can pull you guys anything good, if I can actually open this. I might be the side person. Oh, side person, side person. Oh.
Ooh.
Oh. Well then.
Could it be the Hyper Charizard?
It's the gloves. Ooh, I see some glossy, I think.
Uh-oh, guys.
Okay, screw that. We got Energy, Ribombe. Stop it! Curlia, Olivia, Wimpy, Ratatata, Magikarp, Pansier, Cutiefly.
Wait.
Cutiefly Reverse.
There you go. Ooh.
Yes! Score for you guys. A Gardevoir GX. Boom. Okay, well, code card for you guys, courtesy of that side person. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and let that nerd know if you'd like that side person to be in more videos. Peace!